today. All I've done so far is work and go to KFC and CJC. I babysat early in the AM. I got up at 7 something and watched Kaden. And then I was gonna walk with Betsy, and she left the stroller at home. So we just went to this tiny little park, and didn't stay home. Then I met Michelle at home, went to KFC, and went to Walmart and got some gummy. And I got Jamie a little surprise. Don't know if I'll say it, 'cause I don't want him to find out what it is yet. But it ain't that big. It's got something to do with Duck Dynasty. It's a t-shirt. I got him a t-shirt, might as well show you. I hope he doesn't see this. Don't watch our videos, Jack. Okay. He's gonna watch it and see it. Hi, bro. How you doing? How you doing, bro? How you doing? Here it is. Got it for $7.50. It says that's a fact check, but it's backwards, so you know. And it says Sal. Ain't that cool? That's what Sal. We just love Sal. He's so funny. That's a fact check. Anyway, now we don't know what we're gonna do today. No. We'll get back to you when we find out what we gonna do. Coming here shortly. Yeah, the guards will come up real quick and be like,
neighborhood?
Yeah.
It goes to Hope's?
That's her neighborhood.
Dude, where does this end?
At the house.
Holy crap.
We better, definitely,
Oh my god.
Rick. There's another nice one.
Why'd you hit a tree?
If we tip, baby, I'm sorry in advance. Please, God, get me out of this big hole here. Oh, thank you,
We'll show you all
truck.
the other nice houses, too.
Thank you, truck.
I can't.
It says one way, too. We are in trouble if a car's coming.
Oh, yeah.
But I am not driving up in their driveway.
Man, that is a nice house.
That is so beautiful.
Look at that, man.
Can you imagine living there?
Can
you imagine if the person
Can you imagine cleaning that?
What
Savannah's
job do they have?
doctors,
Yeah.
lawyers.
No, I'm sure they're like...
My cousin
Wow.
was a lawyer, and he did not live in a house like that.
I wonder what's up there, baby.
You should go check it out.
Should we check?
We should check.
Okay.
You can't just. You go big or go home, baby.
That's right. I agree. Go big or go home.
If you go in a one-way driveway, you better take out all the.
Oh, what they got on. Y'all watch it lead up to like their tennis court or something.
We're here to play tennis. Hello.
We didn't see the private invite sign.
We're lost. We got lost. Neighbor.
Are you kidding me, baby? We're going up into the mountains. Oh, there goes.
Just as we suspected.
Just as we're backing down this hill, baby. Holy crap.
Lord, I really can't breathe.
You guys
Backing up.
watch the
My
front
stomach
end.
Bagging up.
How the heck? We
Make
better
sure I
be
don't
careful.
hit nothing from the front end. I'll watch the back.
That was the funniest.
Hi, baby. What's her doing? Her taking a leak? Come here. Come here. Here.
Go up to the baby, see if it tries to attack.
Here, Mama.
Baby,
Where is the baby?
there on the left.
Over there?
What Mama does.
Baby.
My baby said, Jacob.
Come here. Look at him. Well, place. What a lovely place. What a lovely. I don't know.
Lady around at the Hotel California.
Oh no! You can find it here.